And I think we really had three different sessions on different fields which were really highlighted here, and I think it was really, really nice to have one session on microbiology, one on evolution, and one on neurobiology.
Yes, I think the percentage of EMBO members among our panelists is around 40%.
So what I'd like to do today is talk to you a little bit about not so much the strategies, but the biological conclusions about the process of gastrulation.
And what that does is to confer exquisite species specificities to each of these languages. So each of these bacteria can make and respond only to its own molecule.
So we discovered what is now called the mirror mechanism working on the motor system. So the idea that we are active people. So the motor system is not something secondary, it's at the core of our being.
Is there the retention of this highly ordered map, or is there a transformation of the information that would allow the brain a more facile description of the nature of odor identity?
That protein homeostasis, the ability of proteins to fold and find their correct folds, is a very, very difficult thing inside a living cell.
So it was fantastic, and he will tell you why.
Well, it was fantastic because I learned a lot.
I thought it was absolutely brilliant. And specifically the idea that there can be a lot of variation that's in any kind of genome that can be revealed at times of stress.
So I like the EMBO meeting quite a bit. I wanted to come, I wanted to see a European scientific meeting. I've mainly been to North American meetings, but more specifically there was the subsection on peroxisomes on Saturday. And I study peroxisomes, so I was quite interested to see what was going on. It was an excellent subsection.
I think the EMBO meeting is a unique opportunity to catch a lot of different things happening in Europe right now, and also in other countries when it comes to science, life science in all its different forms.
Although I am a cancer biology student, my research is in breast cancer research. I wanted to expose myself to a whole variety of fields, and that's what EMBO, I felt like could give me.
Actually, I've just finished my PhD and I've submitted my thesis, and I think that the EMBO meeting here presents quite a broad range of topics covered, so it helps me to broaden my perspective as to what I might want to do next.
Okay, so that wraps up today, sadly, but we've got the next one to look forward to. Next EMBO meeting will be in Nice next September, so please go to the website and see who will be there.